Okay, welcome to the video. I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube, like I said I would with my trick shot. No tricks, just actually going to solve the Rubik's Cube. If it will let me mix it. This is one of the stiffer ones, so... yeah. I don't have a speed cube. Alright, there's the white, there's the yellow. These are the first. You want your yellow on top. So it's going to look like this. Or what you want facing you is the yellow. Now, what you're going to do is find the white and put it on these corners. You don't have to worry about these. It doesn't matter. So, I will be going in slow, regular time so that if I do make mistakes, I can show you. So, yeah, somewhat like this. Just have your white and yellow in the middle. Next, turn it to either side. Any side's fine. You're gonna flip until you find the matching and make sure that there's white on top. And then you're gonna just turn it to where what was once up here goes down here. You just want these two to line up right now. And you're going to do that to the same of all sides, white on top, turn, have it on bottom. Do that, turn to the next side, make sure that you can see there's orange on both sides, but not orange on top. So you're gonna want the orange that has a white on top. So, turn that down, and yeah. So it should look like this, to where you have this and the four sides. That doesn't matter because it can always change. Next, you line up with whatever's right here. So you want your white to be facing you. So then green's right here, always line it up. You always want it lined with the middle. And then you're gonna go up, turn, and down. Okay, and it's gonna be different depending on where it is. Because like white, there's red right here, so up, turn, down. And it will just solve each, but some go into different spots. Some will be up here, which is just gonna go up. Alright, so when you're going to do this, with this, you wanna line up with right here. So the empty spot, line up with the last one. Go up, turn, go down to bring everything back. And then you should line up with whatever here, and then see how it can move out another white depending on where it is. And with your white, wherever it lines up with the white is the side that you're going to do it on. You should end up with everything lining up kind of like an upside down T. Alright, next step. You're going to take here and here, make sure there's no yellow. There cannot be yellow here or here, or else it just doesn't work. So you're gonna line up your red with your red, and then whatever's on top, you're gonna move away from that color. So, now from here, you're gonna go up, turn, down, turn. Okay, but here's the thing, is since this was green and the top was green, then you're going to move the green from here. Whatever the top color was, you're gonna move that color. Then you're going to move it to the side, to the color that the top was, and you're gonna do where that white was. And, yeah, you should keep on doing it. So, blue, move away from the red, move the red to do that formation, or move. And you should have all the second layer, sorta. So, let's say there was a yellow, and you had to get that side. All you're going to do is you're going to go up, turn, down. And then you're going to line up your white with that orange or the color that was in. You're going to bring it back down, and that brings the color that you needed to the top. So go to your orange, bring away from the green, up, down, turn, and then bring that to the side to the color, bring that down. And then at that point, once you get all of them, the whole entire second layer should be done, and the white should still be done. Then, you know what, I'll ignore, because this is later on to what you do. So let's say you only have this, let's ignore these two. Then you'd want it in your upper left. So this is when you would go down, to the side, up, and then kind of repeating, except you're doing it a little bit different. And if there is a solid line, then you're going to turn that to your side. Doesn't matter which side, just to the side. And basically you're going to do that until you get, also during this you should have still all that. With the L, or it has to be an backwards L, it should always be facing that way. So down, turn, up, turn, down, turn. You can get to this point, which is like a fish. Always have the fish's head on the bottom left, or ignore this, just ignore it. Or there's sometimes to where you make it cross, to where there's a color right here. The cross you always want on top. The plus sign, don't worry about it. You're gonna go up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down. That's what I was doing wrong. That's what you're gonna do until you get all of this solved. Remember, if it's a fish head, which you would ignore these three, then you're gonna have it down here. If it's a cross, which you would ignore this or these two, well, it's usually this. Then you would have that, the 6 on top. If it's just the plus, just do whatever side. Once you get it solved, it can be different ways, like sometimes the side is always solved, or like that's the ending part that you would need, or every side is like this, which then you would go run to me fast, run to me, and then you would turn the back. Then you're gonna go run away, opposite way, run away, back, which then should end up like this. You should line that back up, and you should have a solved side. Now with this is what you would usually end up with, is like all sides except for this side. So then you would line up your two edges with this, and you would do the run to me fast, run to me back, run away, fast, run to me back, and you would do that. And now I have nothing solved. Okay, well, it was in the right place, but then I was trying to show you guys, which then, what the heck did I just do? I'll say if you have a bottom, you're just gonna go to the empty spot and line it up with that color. Okay, so you're ending up with this. I had to redo it, I messed up. So yeah, just go to the opposite of the solved, or the one with the one missing. You're gonna run to me fast, run to me back, run away, fast, run to me back. And that should bring you to where one side is solved, and then you have the rest of these. So you're gonna turn this upside down so that the mist color is not up here but down here. You're gonna line up to where your middle will line up here. So let's ignore these because these can be different colors. For the solved side, basically you're just solving it. And then you're going to go, oh yeah, you're gonna bring these both down, okay? And then you're gonna flip, turn these up, turn, and there you go. You just solved your Rubik's Cube. Doing a video. You wanna be in it? You're in it now. I'll edit it out. Oh good, I didn't tell anyone. Alright, you're in a video, buddy. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
And then